Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to add controllers to a Nintendo Switch. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. There are three methods that I'm going to go over with regards to adding controllers to a Nintendo Switch. The first two involve directly connecting to the Nintendo Switch via a wired or slide-on connection, and then the next one involves connecting via a wireless connection. So let's get right into the video. So for the first one, it's if you have a pair of Joy-Cons. Essentially, all that you need to do with Joy-Cons for the most part is just slide them into place. So when you slide them, they actually make a connection to the Nintendo Switch, okay? So you can see right here, when you slide them on, you're gonna make a connection to the Switch. So you can slide your Joy-Cons on, and then your Joy-Cons will be used, okay? So let's say I was using something else. I could slide my Joy-Cons onto the Nintendo Switch, and then that would add them, and I would be able to use them. That's simple, okay? The second method is if you have a controller that has a wired charging cable. So this is my Nintendo Switch Pro controller. I actually just got it really recently. I've basically only used it once, but I absolutely love it. Now essentially you can charge it by plugging this cable into here, and then you can plug this end of that cable into like a USB charging power brick into a wall outlet, okay? But instead, what you can do is you can plug it into the USB connection on the Nintendo Switch dock, okay? And you can use it that way. Very simple, so it will connect that way. Now, just for full disclosure, these first two methods, I actually haven't had to use them because my Joy-Cons, I only own one pair of Joy-Cons, so they were automatically connected to the Switch, and I've used this wirelessly, like I said, a couple of times. Basically, you know, I've used it only seriously once, but I've connected it wirelessly a couple times. But from what I was reading, that's how you can connect it via a wired connection. So, like I said, full disclosure, I haven't actually done it, but as far as I understand, that's how it works. Now, what you're probably here for is the third and final method, which is connecting via a wireless connection, because then you can connect this controller, many other controllers, and it's really easy to do. So essentially, we're going to turn our Nintendo Switch on, okay? Let's go ahead, we're going to start it up. Okay, and we're going to go to the controller option over here. So I'm going to go down here, and as you can see, it says controllers right there. I'm going to click A to go into the controllers option. Now, if you go to pairing new controllers, it will literally tell you how to do it. It's really simple. I'll actually show you right now. This is how I learned how to do it. So it says, yeah, slide your Joy-Cons on, okay, view other pairing methods. It says connect with a USB connector to the charging, to the dock, like I said. And then the third one is the one we're going to talk about now, which is wirelessly. You want to go to the change grip order screen, and then you want to push the sync button, okay? Now, we're going to go there. I already connected this to the Switch, but I'll show you exactly how I did it. So I'm going to go to change grip order, okay? Change grip order right over there. And then what it's telling me now is what I want to do is if it's already been paired, I can push L and R together. Okay, but what I'm going to do is if it's not paired, you would push the sync button to let the Switch find the controller. And you're going to press and hold it down, and the Switch would be able to then find the controller. This is how I did it for the first time. I pressed and held down the sync button just like that. As you can see, it just popped up, and it's now controller number 1. As you can see right there. And the sync button on the Nintendo Switch Pro controller is over here, but you just got to know where it is. Most of the time, it's going to be an unlabeled button. You have all these plus, minus, the screenshot home, but it's going to be most of the time an unlabeled button. And if you look at a user manual, you can probably find out where it is. That's it. That is essentially how to add a controller to the Nintendo Switch. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.